Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies, and I am here today with a small haul from Craspire. Craspire reached out to me and asked if I wanted to pick out some products to unbox and review for you guys. So I picked out some really beautiful things. I cannot wait to get into this. But before I do, I wanted to let you guys know that they gave me a coupon code for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these items or anything on their website, which I will link down below, you can use the coupon code Skies10 to get 10% off your order. So I'll link the particular links for these items as well as a link to their website as well. And I'll have all the information for the coupon code in the description box. So go ahead and click down there if you're interested. But let's get into these items. All right. I may need to cut this. Okay, this is so beautiful. I love trims like this because they add so much to anything that you do. And I really love flower trims like this. I've used these types of trims in the past because you can use it as a trim, but you can also use it separately. So that's where I have really found that it gives me a lot of bang for my buck, so to speak. Now, they did send these to me for review for you guys, but I feel like this type of trim, you can cut it apart and use it individually. So this type of order, this can last for so long, but you can also be more extravagant and use it as a trim. And it's so pretty. It's very quality, like the way it's made. It's pretty thick in that it's not just like a flimsy little piece. And I just think it's so cute. And I love this color. I believe they had yellow as well, but I wanted to choose pink because I feel like I have some yellow flowers already. And this is what I was super excited about because I've used something like this in the past, and I am these are the types of things that give me hoarding tendencies. I have the yellow one, and I tend to hoard them, but when I saw that they had all different kinds of colors, I was in love. I think these are so pretty. I like every single one of these colors. Here's a pink, kind of like, it's like a true pink, I would say. Because when I see this pink, this one is also pink, but it's more of a peachy pink. So there's these two colors. And then there is this yellow color. And then this red color and purple. You guys know I love flowers. Even sitting on the desk like this, it's so pretty. I am so in love with this. All right. Now, I also ordered just lace. And this came in like the whole order. It was just like a listing for all of these colors. So I didn't choose these colors individually. It came all in one listing. so let's first, I think I'll take a look at the black because it's probably the easiest to see. Let's just first take a look at the design of it. There's 2 rows, and you could cut it apart and just use one side like on the edge or something, but you can also just use the whole piece. It's just a very delicate lace. Let me just move these. It's a very delicate lace, and it's so sheer that even though these are bright colors, I don't think they're going to show up too bright on the page, which is what I like. And I have been wanting to collect more black because I kind of want to do some kind of a gothic type of journal. So I think this is going to be beautiful for that. And it feels like it's pretty simple, but I think the way the lace is, it kind of comes off elegant, which is what I wanted. So there's black, there's this pink. Now I normally wouldn't go for this pink because it's too bright for what I do, but when I saw on their website the way they opened it up like this, the layer is so delicate and dainty that it doesn't come off that bright. Now when it's like one clump like this, it looks bright, but once it's on the page, it just comes off very cute. So I love that. Let me just see how this pairs. I think even layering on like this would be very cute for a vintage retro journal, like maybe like a children's page or something like that. Super cute. So there's this pink. Again, this yellow is so bright, but I think the way this is designed, it doesn't, like, you could use this and it could just be like a little detail kind of in the background. It could be layered like that. Let me try layering one of these flowers. I just think that's so cute. Or the yellow. All right, so there's that yellow. And then let me go through the brighter colors first. And then this orange. Now I probably would iron this before using it though, because you see how it looks really elegant. So there's that orange. This more like bright coral color. And then this red color. This would be good for vintage retro too. And this bright pink. So this was more of a bubblegum pink. This is more of a kind of like a not really magenta, but more of a blue pink. And then these last few colors are probably more what I'm drawn to. So those were the bright colors, and I like them because, like I mentioned before, they're so delicate that it doesn't come off so bright. But now these colors are the colors that I really was drawn to. These more pastel colors. Okay, so we're going to go through each of them. So this white here, so pretty. And this mint green. Super pretty. And then this lighter blue. Can't wait to experiment with these. This blush color that will be so versatile. You could use it for pretty much any type of journal, in my opinion. It could be a modern type journal with blush colors and kind of glamorous and elegant. It could be for something vintage. It could be for a nature journal. This color is just, I love it. This, I guess, lavender color here. And then this last color, a lighter, dustier pink. So pretty. But yeah, I can't wait to experiment with these. I will be back with another video to show you how I end up using these. And I'm kind of brainstorming ideas right now. But let me know, which of these items were you most interested in? I think they're just so pretty and I cannot wait to get into them. I think the first thing I am going to do though is put these onto cards because I don't want them to be wrinkled. So that's going to be quite a project. I'm trying to decide how I want to do that. But yeah, so let me know which one was your favorite item out of these 3 items. If you're interested in them, I have their information down below, like I mentioned before, and I do have a coupon code for you guys, which is Skies10 to save 10% off your order. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.